In this video, I'll show you the best realistic graphics mod for GTA San Andreas, giving the game a modern next-gen look in 2026. Check my video description for this mod. Just right click on this GTA mod man and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close tab here, right click on the game and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, open this copy to game folder, select all these files and drag and drop to the game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, go back and open this bonus mod pack. Open the bonus mods folder, drag and drop all these files inside the game folder. Once this done, find the env series ini file, right click and select edit in notepad. Just copy this files and paste it in enable pre-pause, change this to false and select file and select save option. The settings will be saved. Close tab here, right click on this env.exe, show more options, send it to desktop create shortcut, launch the game through this newly created shortcut. You need to wait for the game to launch. I will add before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.